Let's get right to our first trader of the day. Joining us now is Tim Biggam at Delta Derivatives. Always good to see you there, Tim. And what is going on with this market? Is it a buy or a sell?
I think probably a little of both, Angie, here. I think it's time to be more of a stock picker. I think, that tide that lifted all boats has probably passed, especially given interest rates and inflation coming into play here. So I'm just looking at individual stocks. One stock I really like on a comparative basis is Alibaba here. It's been a big underperformer, certainly compared to Amazon and the NASDAQ generally. Finding some support finally. So I kind of like Baba buying some out of the money calls here just to position for further upside now that the stock held that $200 support area.
Wow, you're jumping right into your trades today. What else would you trade?
Yeah, absolutely. Looking at AT&T, which has gotten clobbered on the news of Discovery spinoff here, dividend likely to be cut, stock down sharply. But we're seeing some big unusual call buying all the way out in January, especially the slightly out of the money $30 calls. About 16,000 or so have traded here. More importantly, implied volatility has jumped here. So I'm jumping in and buying the stock under 30, selling these comparatively expensive calls, basically replacing that very rich dividend in AT&T with that call premium, and just looking for AT&T to level off here over the next 9 months or so.
Well, let's keep this going. Is there anything else you're trading?
Yeah, I think time to be a little bit cautious out there. We're seeing some of these dividend players getting some unusual call activity, which is rather unusual. Normally, they don't attract that. So Duke Energy, we saw that as well. So I think adding a little yield to the portfolio, doing it via a covered call where you can hedge the downside, bring a little more yield into the overall trade makes a lot of sense here. Given that the market looks like it may be stalling out here, that big time rally may be difficult moving forward.
Thank you so much for all of your trades today, Tim. Have a good one.
You bet. Anytime, Ange. Take care.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.